90% of cross-border brands cooperate with influencers, but face headaches in creator selection, outreach, data analysis. Existing tools suffer from incomplete creator profiles, insufficient filtering functions, limited platform support, which falls to meet their marketing expectations. A luggage brand's team with 3 marketing specialists once screened 100 creators manually every day. That's heavy workload. Now Automa changes everything. You can easily set up an automation bot. The Autobot logs into TikTok. Search for keywords. Browses trending videos. Collects email addresses and video data. And saves it to spreadsheets. With Automa, 1 hour of manual work is done in 1 minute. 60 times faster. It also sends bulk invitation emails, accesses multiple store backends, and delivers partnership requests. The bot did one-click screening and outreach. After partnering with influencers, the bot auto-creates sample orders, monitors logistics, tracks campaign data, updates the creator database, forming a complete marketing loop. This RPA solution works seamlessly across Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Automa makes your influencer marketing faster and more efficient.